This great country is today unable to produce food for its people. Leave alone exporting food. We are unable to produce food enough for us. And this is because of the problem in the Ministry of Agriculture. I want to say the Kenyan farmer only needs 3 things. He needs extension service, he needs certified seeds, and he needs to have a credit when he is unable to make end meets. If he gets those 3 things, we'll be able to produce enough food for ourselves and for export. Tell our president, Bana President, you are on the right track. But if you want food produced, bring the Ministry of Agriculture under Office of President so that you can supervise. I believe Ministry of Agriculture needs a very serious postmortem. This country, we have seen able ministers like Kibruto Arab Kirwa, when President Kibaki became the first time of President Kibaki. We want ministers who can produce. With all due respect, I would have said Linturi should resign, but I know he will not resign. So the best thing is for you to bring a Department of Agriculture under your supervision, and then you do postmortem.